What's up, guys? It's MJ. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I just put in this door and it was not easy, just for my garage. And I don't know who framed my house, but they must have been drunk. And just about finished the garage. Look at that. I put that in all these fanciness. I covered up my popcorn ceiling with wood panels, and then I trimmed it with 1x4. All right, anyway, today's a giveaway. Thank you to all the subscribers that subscribed. I really appreciate it. Most people, they just come to my channel to learn something real quick and then they leave, but you guys and girls are the ones that stayed, and thank you so much. I was just recently able to get monetized, so I'm making a small, tiny percent of money from these videos, but I am sharing it today, my first check with you guys. So you guys know, if you've been here before, for the giveaways, because this is not an official giveaway, I'm gonna say it like this: I may or may not look in the comments today or tomorrow, and the first comment that I see may or may not be the winner, and then I may give them my email address so that I can hear from them in the email. They could give me their address and I will mail them a gift card. That's right, we're doing a gift card this time because it costs a lot of money to send heavy tools in the mail. But what I could do is send you a gift card, and then you could buy the tool that you want. And you will be getting a $10 gift card to Harbor Freight. Wow!
Wait just a minute, boy. Before you start typing your comment that you want that little $10 gift card, just know this, that I hacked MJ's account weeks ago, and I made it appear that I won the contest, and that fool, he sent the gift card to me. I got the gift card in the mail. I opened the envelope, and I looked at the gift card for Harbor Freight, and then I threw it right in the garbage, because that's where it belongs, in the garbage, and that's where all Harbor Freight tools belong, in the garbage. Oh yes, but something happened. There was a snap-on screwdriver right next to the garbage can. The Harbor Freight gift card was transfigurized. It leached onto the snap-on screwdriver. It leached onto the power, and it became a real gift card for $100. Yes, boy and girls. It was transformed into a $100 snap-on gift card, because that is the greatest tool in the world. And one other thing, MJ used to say that the contests were only available to people in the United States of America. Well, guess what? With the snap-on power, they are available to anyone in the world, boy. Anyone in the world could win. First comment wins. Let's go. Snap-on forever and ever and ever.